This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and Tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. It is May 21st, 2019. Just got my truck back. It's been in the shop for a flipping week. But anyway, I'm back on the road here. Me and Miss Molly are going to my kid's house, start up her AC. Gonna start up her AC. It's got a TXV on it. We'll check the subcooling. Might have to add a little Freon to it. Get it going for her. You miss working. Oh, I know. Yeah, you miss working. Yeah, you love working. You miss working. I know it. Yeah, you miss working. Miss Molly is working again, yo. She loves working. It's okay, buddy. It's only me. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm going to start it up. See what we got here. Cooling. 73 in here, so 170. Cooling. Got a return here. Got a return here. Got a supply in here. This room. Supplying the master. You got a supply in the bathroom. I got 2 in the living room here, a 6 and an 8. And I put 2 8s in it. It's okay, Luna. I put 2 8s in the kitchen because of the cooking. Luna. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm too happy. Go check it out outside. Alright guys, see my subcoolant's about 3. I gotta put some Freon in it because that should be around 10 or so. I gotta get some Freon for it. Gotta use my Testo 550s because my charging my pallet. Charging my my little setup, so let me get some Freon for it. Upside down, I bled the lines back. I'm gonna put some in. It should be around 10 or so. So we want to put it in here, but you don't want to put too much because we're putting it in as a liquid. You want to flash it in there a little bit. So we're going in on the suction side. I mean, you don't want to give it too much. You want to put it in slowly. They usually say like 10 pounds above what it was before is a good reading. I mean, you don't want to just open it up and dump a bunch of liquid in there because the liquid's going to go and flash with the gas. There should be a chart on here. Tell us what it should be charged at. Guys, so I'm right around 10 with the subcooling. You got to set up for subcooling. It's got a TXV. And I'm good with that. I mean, it's not really hot in the house, but that's fine. That's fine. Can run it now. There you go. That's it. It's a Rudd units. The subcool set around 10. I'm good. Good to go. She's good to go, I should say. okay, Luna. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. She don't like being in the cage. Nice and quiet. I got the 2 returns on it. Can't barely hear it running. Barely hear it running. It's the master. Be fine. Nice setup for her now. $71 in here now. It's set for 70. She'll be happy with it. Alright, that's it.